My dear student, today I want to discuss the second method for the solution of differential equation. My dear students, when a differential equation is in this form dy by dx is equal to function of xy by function of gxy, or dx by dy is equal to function of xy by gxy, where both fxy and gxy are homogeneous function of same degree. Method of solving homogeneous differential equation. It involves the following steps. First, express the given differential equation in the form dy by dx fxy by gxy, and we convert in the form of fyx by gyx. And what do you observe? We observe that this dy by dx is in the form of fy, capital Fyx. And by putting y is equal to vx, we have dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx in first. To get v is equal to x plus dv by dx fv. Now, transposing the term from right to left, we have 1 by fb minus v dv is equal to 1 by x dx, and doing cross multiplication. Integrate both sides to get a solution of the solution in term of v and x of the form gv is equal to log x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Replace v by y by x to get the required solution in term of x and y. Find general solution of the differential equation x dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 2x. Given differential equation is x dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 2x. X dy by dx 2x plus 3y. Dy by dx is equal to 2x by x plus 3 by yx. Let y is equal to vx. And dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now, my dear student, if v plus x dv by dx is equal to 2a plus 3b, x dv by dx is equal to 2a plus 3b minus b, 2a plus 2b, and that is by taking 2 common, we have a plus b, 1 by v plus a dv, 2 by x dx. Integrating both sides we get 1 by v plus a dv, 2 dx by x. So log v plus a is equal to twice log mod x plus log c. And it will be log mod v plus a minus log mod x square by log is equal to log c. So it will be log v plus a by x square is equal to log c. So v plus a by x square is equal to c. v plus a is equal to cx square. So y by x plus a is equal to c into x square, which is the required solution. Now my dear student, see problem number 2. Solve the differential equation 2x square dy by dx minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. Given differential equation is 2x square dy by dx minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. That is 2x square dy by dx, 2xy minus y square. That is dy by dx is equal to 2xy by 2x square minus 1 by 2y by x whole square. So dy by dx is equal to y by x minus half y by x whole square. This is equation first. Now my dear students, we put y is equal to vx, and instead of dy by dx we put v plus x dv by dx. This is the working rule by which we can solve the problem of differential equation involving homogeneous form. Now it will be v plus x dv by dx, v minus half v square. X dv by dx is equal to minus b square by 2. So integrating both sides, we get twice dv by v square minus 1 by x dx to v to the power minus 2 dv minus 1 by x dx. So 2 into v minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus log mod x plus c. That is minus 2 by v is equal to minus log mod x plus c. That is minus 2y by x is equal to minus log mod x plus c. That is minus 2x plus y is equal to log mod x plus c, which is the required solution. So now my dear student, Problem number 3 and problem number 1 of NCERT 9.5. X square x plus y into dy. X plus y square dx. Given differential equation is x square x plus y within the bracket dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. So dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. It is a homogeneous differential equation. By putting y is equal to vx in first we get, and dy by dx is equal to b plus x dy by dx we get. X square plus y square by x square plus xy. X square b square plus x square by x square x into bx. Now x square b square x square plus b square x square. And taking common x square, we have 1 by 1 plus b square by 1 plus b. Also dy by dx is equal to b plus x into dv by dx. Therefore b plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus b square by 1 by b. So now it will be x dv by dx 1 plus b square 1 plus b minus b. And after simplifying we have 1 minus b by 1 plus b x into dv by dx. And now doing cross multiplication, we have 1 plus b by 1 minus b dv dx by x. My dear student, this is a well-known form of integration. So, I want to give you, here in my opinion, it is very important to solve each and every problem of homogeneous equation, particularly from the book of NCERT and the board problems. Now my students, 2 minus 1 plus b 1 minus b, 2 minus 1 1, that is 1 plus b. So now it is more easy to integrate it. So now 2 by 1 minus b minus 1 minus b by 1 minus b. It is 2 by 1 minus b dv and minus integration of dv is equal to integration of dx by x. So minus 2 log 1 minus b log x minus log k. So b is equal to minus twice log 1 minus b minus log x plus log k. So b is equal to minus twice log 1 minus b log x plus log k. And it is minus log 1 minus b square into x plus log x. b is equal to log k minus log 1 minus b square x. So b is equal to log of k 1 minus b square into x. So b is equal to y by x log kx 1 minus y by x whole square. So y by x log k by x minus 1 x minus y by x whole square into x. So y by x log k x minus y whole square x square into x. So it will be finally y by x is equal to log kx x minus y whole square. If we take log on the base e, we have e to the power y by x, e to the power log kx plus kx by x minus y square. So e to the power yx is equal to kx x minus y whole square. So x minus y square whole square is equal to k into x e to the power minus xy is the required solution. Now my dear student, I want to solve problem. Now I want to solve problem number 8, question number 4, and it is problem number 2 of NCERT. Y dash is equal to x plus y by x. The given differential equation is dy by dx x plus y by x. Here, this is a homogeneous differential equation. If we put y is equal to vx, it will be v plus x plus dv by dx plus x plus bx plus x. So, after cancelling the term, we have x dv by dx is equal to 1. dv is equal to 1 by x by dx. So, dv is equal to dx by x. So, integrating both sides, we get v is equal to log x plus c. And y by x is equal to log x plus c. And after simplification, we have y is equal to x into log x plus cx. So, this is the required solution of the given differential equation. My dear student, in next video, I will solve some more problems of differential equation involving the problem of homogeneous. Now, I hope Today you have followed me, you have understood me, and next day I will solve some important problem of videos of important problems of differential equation, which will be solved by applying homogeneous method. And in next video I will also give the way by which you can solve the problem of differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into x is equal to q. So my dear student, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So my dear student, in this way we can solve the problem of differential equation. No doubt, this method, the method in which the problem will be solved by the homogeneity of this problem. So you must observe that this is long. The integration of this type of problem is long, but if you will do practice on that type of integration in partial fraction, so it will be helpful for you to solve the problem of differential equation. So you must make strong the topic integration, indefinite integration particularly, so that it will be helpful to solve the problem of differential equation. Thank you very much.